how to mute chat notifications for 1 week on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to mute chat notifications for 1 week on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find any chat you want. Hold on it and this icon here in the top, mute notifications, click on it. And as you see here, you can select anything you want. Just select 1 week and click OK. And as you see, chat have been muted, and you can unmute it again. Just hold on it and click here, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.